Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jules Emily here, and before you go any further in this video, please don't forget to join the Jules Emily family. Now I know it has been a minute since I've been on YouTube or uploaded a video on this channel, but life happens and I'm here and I'm hoping to start uploading as frequent as I once did. If you don't see me post here, I'll definitely be posting shorts, but I'll definitely be trying to keep my page as active as possible. As you can see by the title, we'll be going in with the Hollywood Glow Glide Face Architect Highlighter, and this is the bad boy right here. Now, as we all know, Charlotte does she comes out with amazing products in general. As you can see by the packaging is giving us looks. She's giving us examples of ways we can use this highlighter. So it can typically be used anywhere, but I believe any highlighter can be used anywhere. Makeup does not have rules. It can be used for anything. So that is this right here. I do believe this is priced at £38. This is quite expensive for no reason. I'm not going to lie. It's very expensive for no reason. But thank God I did not pay that price. Well, if there was no discount, I would not have been purchasing this highlighter. But I did pick this highlighter up for a discounted price of 20% off on Cult Beauty, by the way. This highlighter also comes in 7 shades. And I believe that it's a decent shade range from light to dark. It's very decent. The shade that I did pick up, Gilded Glow, and Gilded Glow is the 4th darkest shade. So there's 7 shades, so there is roughly 3 more shades to this shade right here. So I believe someone with a very dark complexion can be able to find a shade that will possibly suit them. Basically what the packaging looks like. This packaging is not something new to us, because if you do own the powder, you would know that the packaging is very much the same, except for the details on the front. Example, this is the highlighter, this is the powder package, and this is the airbrush brightening package right here. So you can see the 3 different packaging and how they slightly differ. Another Charlotte Tilbury highlighter that I do own that is spectacular. You can see that it has a little bit of dent in it, because I do really recommend this highlighter. This one is the Magic Star highlighter, and this is superb. This is the packaging side by side. This is completely different, so I guess she's trying to keep this one in the family. The Magic Glow highlighter, and it's superb. Now I'm going to swatch this one and then swatch the other one for you. So you can see right here, that is how it looks. Super glowy and very reflective on the skin. So that is that highlighter right there. Very beautiful for people my complexion and lighter. And right here we are gonna go in with this highlighter. Now you can see how beautiful this highlighter is with the stars on it and so on. Very pretty. Let's put them side by side. You can see they're slightly, they could come across very similar in color, but this is it right here. Now right off the bat, this is super silky and smooth, and you can kind of see that this one seems to be more reflective than this one right off the bat, but we're going to check it on the face and see how it performs. The shade Gilded Glow. I'm just tapping a bit on the brush, and the brush that I'm currently using is the P. Louise brush in 721, and I'm just going to apply this right here. Oh my goodness, that applies seamlessly on the skin. That does not even enhance any texture or anything. That is beautiful. It does give a very natural finish, if I do say so myself. This is very pretty, and it does complement my eye look. Very pretty. Okay, so this is a very quick and short video of me reviewing this highlighter. Now, would I recommend this highlighter? The highlighter is beautiful, I'm gonna lie, but would I spend another 20 something pounds discounted on another shade. No, I wouldn't, to be honest with you. I feel like everyone has highlighters that they are in love with. I don't even know what impulsed me to buy it, to be honest with you, but I guess it was a good purchase for my channel. Would I be using it in the future? Hell yes. This is giving a very natural glow from within type of look to it. So I guess I am very, very impressed with Charlotte Tilbury highlighter. But if you're an OG on my channel, you know I am always a big advocate for Charlotte Tilbury. If it's bad, it's bad. I will tell you it's bad. There's 1 or 2 items from Charlotte Tilbury that I genuinely don't like, or it does not work for my skin. So yeah, but on a big scale, 9 out of 10, 9 out of 10, though Charlotte Tilbury products worked magnificent on my skin, on dark complexion, on people with oily skin, dry skin. Charlotte Tilbury comes through for us. So this is the end of this video. I hope you guys did enjoy my short little comeback video. Please do comment down below if you guys are thinking of purchasing this highlighter, if you guys love the soft glow from within type of look. This highlighter is very silky smooth. It does not enhance any texture. It does not give a cast, because you can see I'm looking straight and there's no harsh lines on my cheek. So it does give a beautiful, beautiful skin glow finish. Bye until next time.